All right, guys, this is the Ryobi 1 HP 18 volt half inch high torque impact wrench. Now this has 1170 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. It's a brushless motor. It's got 3 speeds with an auto mode. It's a very powerful tool. This thing is great when working on cars. It's got a lot of power, and you'll notice when you pick it up, it's got a good amount of weight to it. It's got tri-beam lamps here, so when you're working, these lamps are going to come on right here, give you some nice light right at the spot where you're working, which I do like a lot. All right, so down here we have our ability to change between our 4 modes here. First, second, and third are basically just different speed settings. And then we have our auto mode. Now that auto mode works in forward and reverse. In forward, basically what happens is that once it senses that the bolt is tight, it will stop impacting. That way you don't over tighten the bolt. In reverse, once it senses the bolt or whatever you're loosening is loose, it will stop. And this is so that you don't fling the bolt or fling whatever all around your shop. Basically, it'll just pull it out and you can manually screw it out. On this as well, you have rubber guards here. And you'll see you'll have some rubber guards here, and you have rubber back in here. This is so in the event that you drop it, it does land on those rubber guards, and you don't damage the actual tool. So that's kind of nice. And then here you'll also see you have your 3 LED lights. Now, I like them up here because this is going to give you more of a directional light on whatever surface you're working at. Whereas down here, that light just tends to shine up, which it still works nice, but this is kind of more directional, which I do like a lot. Now, along with that 1170 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, you also have 700 foot-pounds of fastening torque. So there's definitely quite a bit of power here.